Hello everyone, I'm Danny and I'm here at the Sunrise Library. Here I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our Lego Duplo train today. This is a toy that we are going to be premiering at the Maker Faire here at the Sunrise Library on the 5th of March. So let's take a look at how it works. So we've got a couple bricks here that will allow your child to be a locomotive engineer and tell the train what to do and where to go. So this brick actually sounds off the horn. So what we do is we just lay it into the tracks just like that. We've got this brick which tells your train to stop. We've got this brick which tells your train to flash its lights. And let's put it over here. We've got this brick which tells your train to stop and refuel at the refueling station. And this one with the arrows tells your train to change directions. So now that we have our bricks in place, let's put our train on the tracks. And also let's just build a few mountains around our track to make it fun, a few houses. Let's put this at the refueling station. All right, and it looks like our train is ready. Here we go. There we go, and keep going. It's gonna stop and refuel. So some of the lessons your child will learn when playing with this train is they're going to learn early coding, looping, sequencing, conditional statements. Sounds like a lot of long, complicated words, but they're actually really simplified when playing with this train. They're learning a lot and they don't even know it. So yeah, this is going to keep them busy for hours on end. And we will be premiering this at our Duplo story time at our Maker Faire on March 5th. So I hope to see you there. If you liked this video, please check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/thelibrarydistrict.